the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired, and today we have the brand new ZenFone Max Pro with us. So this is the new ZenFone Max Pro. This is a nice looking sleek device, and you can say in the market it will give a hard competition to the Redmi Note 5. Asus says that ZenFone Max Pro has been launched with many things customized to the Indian market. So in this video, let's check out the new ZenFone Max Pro, the first look of it, the specs and the camera. So this is a ZenFone Max Pro in front of you guys. It is a nice looking sleek device which looks quite sturdy in the build quality. On the top, if we see, we have the earpiece, front LED flash and an 8 megapixel front camera. On the bottom of the screen we have shortcut keys. On the right we have the power button and the volume rocker with decent tactile feedback. And on the left we have the SIM tray. So let's open the SIM tray and see what slots it offers. So it offers a dual SIM tray in which you can put 2 nano SIMs, and it has a dedicated SD card placement. On the top you have the noise cancellation mic. In the bottom you get the 3.5mm audio jack with the mouthpiece, micro USB charging port and the speaker grill. Here we have a dual camera setup, 13 megapixel, and the secondary sensor is a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Then there's the LED flash and fingerprint sensor, 5.99 inch full HD plus display and a full view IPS panel. Nice decent looking viewing angles, and because of stock Android you get timely updates and more security in your phone. Let's quickly move on to the settings area and check what more specifications this phone offers. So about phone, ZenFone Max Pro has the latest 8.1 Oreo Android version. Along with that, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon latest 636 processor, 64-bit octa-core GPU and runs on Adreno 509. Currently you can see out of 32 GB, 8.87 GB is used. Now let's talk about the battery, which is the highlight of this phone. It comes with a 5000 massive battery life. If we notice the apps part, it has minimal bloatware. Few of the applications which are here, we have downloaded them. Also the stock Android experience is giving a very clean interface to the phone. Let's go to the camera section. The main rear camera is a dual camera setup with a 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel secondary dedicated depth sensing camera, which will give nice bokeh effects. We talk about the modes. It has auto, HDR, portrait, landscape, sports, flowers, backlight, candlelight, sunlight and night mode. Many options here. Then we have some pre-installed color filters. This is the front camera. Then we have the beautification mode, in which you have high, low, mild and customization of beautification. Then these are the additional settings: flash, GPS location, picture size, picture quality and adjustment of many other things like ISO, exposure, white balance. Let's check out the front camera. It is a 8 megapixel setup on the front along with soft light LED flash. If you see the modes, we have auto, HDR, portrait, landscape, sports, flowers, night mode, sunset and many others. Then there are some pre-installed color filters again, beautification, high, low, medium customization, additional settings. We'll go to the gallery and check some of the pictures which I have recently clicked. This is a cute selfie with the blur background. The colors in the pictures are quite crisp. So this was the first look of the ZenFone Max Pro. We are making this video before the actual launch of this phone. So the price expected is under 15,000, and at this price it will give direct competition to many phones in the market. So this was it in this video. If you like this video, don't share to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.